Hi everyone, it's Liam here from Biggerplate.com, joining you today from Lima, Peru, and answering mind mapping questions from our global member community. Now recently I was asked by a new mind mapper, how do I add and use and manage hyperlinks in Ayoa? They were struggling to find this feature in the product, and so I thought I'd record this quick video to help that person and hopefully some others, and see how you can use this powerful feature within Ayoa. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are looking at an Ayoa mind map where we're planning a vacation, for example. And as we're doing our research, we might want to save some website links into our mind map for quick access later. To add a hyperlink, you need to select a topic and then click up here into the attachments area, which is actually where you're going to find the option for links. That's why the person who asked us the question couldn't find it. They were looking for the word hyperlink. Well, it's up here in the attachments area. So now we know where to find it. Let's copy and paste the URL from a website that we found and we liked, and you can see that that is now saved into our topic. Now, the great thing about Ayoa is that you can actually save multiple hyperlinks onto any single topic. For example, if we found another web page that we wanted to save onto this same topic, we can simply copy and paste another link and click to add. You'll see that the topic in the map now shows this little icon to indicate that we've got two attachments here. And if I open that, you'll see I've got my list of links, which if I click any of these, I go quickly and directly to the web page that I saved. If I want to remove any links from a topic, you can see I just click this little trash can icon, say yes to this message, and the hyperlink is gone. And there you have it, a very quick look at the hyperlinks feature in Ayoa, a great way to keep useful web pages and information easily accessible within your mind maps. I hope you found this short video useful. If you have any mind mapping questions that you need help with, then let us know in the comments below or drop us an email via biggerplate.com and we'll do what we can to help you go further with mind mapping.